Oh lads, you joined me in the middle of a nightmare. So I texted Ben last night and I said I want to head down to Athlete Movement, I want to train with you. That's the gym that he trains and coaches from. It's in Guildford, which is about 2 hours away. And then I suddenly realised my camera was completely dead. So I then remembered that I'd left my charger in the gym. So I rushed over there last night, went to go and have a look around and discovered it wasn't there. So some kind individuals either picked it up and taken it or thrown it in the bin. I asked the gym staff, have you seen my camera charger? They looked at me blankly and said, no, I'm sorry. It wasn't in the lost property. So this morning I've rushed over to Curry's to pick up a fairly generic camera charger, I suppose, which is very slow and not really that good. So I spent the last hour in McDonald's just charging my camera, and come back here and I've charged my camera a little bit more as well. So I was meant to be at Guildford, or in Guildford, about an hour ago. It's now 12 o'clock. It's a 2-hour drive away. Don't know if I'm going to make it. But I'm not a quitter. I'm going to persevere. I'm going to head down there, just go train and see what's what. So I'll see you at Athlete Movement. I'm such an idiot. So I completely forgot that Ben has actually got the All Englands tomorrow, so he's not sticking around, and I actually missed him. So he went home half an hour before I actually got here. So I've travelled 2 hours to a gym where I basically know nobody by myself. But I did meet up with Nathan though, which is pretty cool. He's a guy I know through Instagram and is mutual friends with Ben, so it's pretty cool to meet him. I think some of Ben's other athletes are coming down a little bit later, but I can't imagine I'm going to be sticking around too much longer. I've just done deadlifts, as you would have seen. Just going to do some sort of bodybuilding, fluff work, that sort of thing. And then I don't really know, I might sort of have a look around because it's actually a really nice area. So I might just have a look around, just chill out for a bit. And I have actually got some friends that live in London, so I'm not too far from there, so I might ring them and see if they're about and maybe meet up with them. But yeah, it's just been a bit of a nightmare day so far. Right, let's go and do some chest. It's like 30 degrees in here. Grey was a bad choice. every cloud has a silver lining and all that, although I've spent 2 hours driving down here just to train by myself. Although to be fair, the gym is actually really sick with a lot of good equipment and really nice people in there. I was chatting to a couple of them in there. My mate Dan, however, has just messaged me saying that I can go and stay at his tonight. So he lives just over an hour away from here. Dan has actually featured in a few videos before, so we're going to go and stay at his tonight. And he has said that he's got halloumi burgers on the go at the moment, so I need to get going. That also means I'm going to make it in time to watch the Champions League final, baby! Come on, you Spurs! I'm not a Tottenham fan, but as you may know, my uncle is a big Liverpool fan, so I've got to do the complete opposite and support Tottenham. That took a lot longer than expected, but I'm here.
Here he is. Oh, is that for me?
That's for you, darling.
Oh, you're an absolute legend.
It's official.
Yes. Thank you, mate. You're a lifesaver.
Like, you think you could completely chill.
Oh! Oh, hello, mate. Oh. What have we got going here?
Pancakes.
Yes.
Your defence is terrifying.
Yeah, shots just for a loss. Yeah. It's dangerous, isn't it?
Looks good.
It's always a risk. It's always a risk.
Oh, it's a thick one.
No! Oh! Not what you want to see. That's Matt's pancake.
That was the control trial.
That's alright.
We've saved it. Pulling out all the stops with your microwave raspberries. Love it.
There you go.
Good work, yeah. Fit for a king. Or Matt. Thanks for being my lifesaver, mate. Thank you for putting me up. And all that. Going to be down in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, loves it.
Playing a bit of football.
Loves a bit of London.
Snapping my hamstring.
You're basically a Londoner.
Pretty much
a
am.
Cockney.
Well, those are my roots, mate.
Cockney.
My ends.
Your ends.
Right, heading back to Bristol now. Got a nice 3-hour drive ahead of me. Driving 3 hours with severe DOMS is horrendous. Who knew? I was literally cramping the whole way home. Literally fell out of the car the moment I got out of the car. Just about to run myself a bath to make my muscles feel a little bit better, soothe my muscles a bit. Then I'm going to have a roast dinner, which is definitely going to make me feel better. And then it's just chilling for the rest of the evening. I haven't really got anything else on today, so I'm going to wrap up the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. Please leave it a thumbs up if you have. Subscribe if you haven't already. And hopefully I will see you in that next video. Take care. Peace.